Hi boys and girls, it's me again. I just wanted to show you this quick poster since we were doing angles today in lesson 12.2 of the Go Math packet. If you look at the first part, it says what are right angles. I gave you examples in green. Notice I put a little red square in each corner showing that those are right angles because I can put a perfect square in each. And then it tells you the meaning. Right angles make a square in the corner, like I just said. Next is the acute angles, which you were seeing in your Go Math today as angles less than a right angle, but I don't like to use that whole term. I like to just say acute because that is the geometry term that you will be hearing in math, and you'll definitely hear that in 4th grade. So acute angles are smaller than a right angle, and it says think. A cute little angle. If you were thinking of something that's really cute and small, think of an acute angle, smaller than a right. And then I give you examples of some acute angles that I drew in green. Then you have the obtuse angles. Those are angles that are larger than a right angle. But instead of saying that every time, you can use the correct term, obtuse. And here you see examples of obtuse angles much wider than a right angle, and it says think, hanging loose. If you see, I'm going to zoom in for a second, you can see that I made a hand there, and I think I showed you that in the Go Math that I did with you today. If you put 3 fingers down, leave out your pinky and your thumb, this is a sign that means hang loose, but it also reminds me of an obtuse angle, so that's why I drew it. All right, so those are the 3 major angles that we will talk about in chapter 12. Right angles, you can make a square corner. It's 90 degrees if you were to measure it with a protractor. Acute angles are smaller than a right angle, and it says think of something that's cute and little. And then the word obtuse means that those angles are larger than a right angle. So those are the 3 major angles that we did today in the Go Math. I made this poster. I forgot that I made it, so I wanted to put it up on YouTube just to remind you of the 3 angles that we learned today. Okay, my friends, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.